There's a section of Queen Street. It's just south of town with some really grand historic homes. If you love the architecture and vibe of a home with a story to tell, stay tuned, because today we're going to tour one of the prettiest and most interesting historic homes in Martinsburg. The H.C. Berry Painted Lady Victorian on 600 Queen Street is now for sale. And you know, it has been meticulously restored to reflect the elegance of the era it was built in, the late 1800s, around 1890. The house sits on a half acre, and there is an adjoining quarter-acre buildable lot just behind the property. It has a two-car garage and beautiful gardens, plantings, lots of flowers and spring bulbs. There's 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3,366 square feet. So let's go inside. Entering this home is like opening a box of sparkling gems. All the rich colors, the gleaming hardwood. From the foyer, the parlor is to the right and the dining room to the left, with large pocket doors in the doorway of each room. There's a fireplace in both rooms. Further down the hall is a large room on the left. It could be an office or even a main level bedroom. There's a full bath right next to that room. The family room is further back with a fireplace. The kitchen is to the right from the family room. There's granite countertops, gas cooking, plenty of storage space. It's a great kitchen. It's updated to today's convenience with high-end features. There's a side door there that leads to the back porch. Upstairs, there's 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The master bedroom has a luxurious ensuite bath with a jetted tub, beautiful built-ins. There's 3 covered porches, one in the front, as was the custom at the time, but the 2 porches in the back of the house are a really special feature. There's an entrance to the porch on the main level from the hallway and also from the kitchen. That porch extends to a deck and walkway. The porch upstairs, my favorite, overlooks the grounds. What a great place to relax, maybe do some reading. Queen Street is directly across from Boydville, the Georgian-style mansion built in 1812. And this section of Queen Street has some grand historic homes. It is a great walking area. Downtown Martinsburg is a few blocks away with all the shops, restaurants, events. The library is just a short walk. Schools also nearby. Berkeley Heights Elementary and Martinsburg High School are a few blocks south of the property. The MART train is downtown. It leaves the Caperton station on Martin Street weekday mornings and returns late afternoon, early evening. It goes to Union Station in DC with stops along the way. It's also a historic site with a story to tell, as do all these interesting old homes along that section of Queen Street. Restoring this home has been a labor of love for this seller, an ongoing project that began several years ago. She wanted the home to stay true to the aesthetic details of the time, both inside and outside. She describes it as one of her greatest accomplishments. So the next occupant can rest assured that they are moving into a home that has been very well cared for. If you'd like to visit this home, be sure to contact us. You can call or text at 304-264-2828, email at jana@amazingaffordable.com, or schedule a time online. And you can do that at meetmeinthepanhandle.com/schedule. I'll include a link to that below. And if you'd like more information about what it's like living in this area, check out the video to the right. I think you'll find that helpful. All right, thanks so much for tuning in, and be sure to contact us. We'd love to show you this home.